What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, we got some things to get into. Lots of bullish stuff brewing, guys. You're going to find it very, very fascinating. Let's get into it here, guys. Let's see what we got going on. Let's go over and have a look. Jasmy down 2.8% on the day, 6 on the week, 26.7 on the month, and 19 on the year. Even in rank at 79, $832 million market cap, 41 million in volume. XCN down 4.7% on the day, pretty close to 1% down on the week, 52 on the month, and up 524 on the year. Down 5 spots in rank to 120, $487 million market cap, 49 million in volume. Zebec is up 1.2% on the day, down 14.3 on the week, up 64.5 on the month. We're up 4 spots in rank to 329, $106 million market cap, 33 million in volume. And Swift Coin with the terrible volume, 6.3% down on the day, 8 on the week, 58.5 on the month, but up 121% on the year. Down 5 spots in rank to 281, $131 million market cap, 4.5 million in volume. All right, let's go have a look over at Bitcoin. So we got close to a spinning top candle right now. It's kind of an indecisive neutral candle, guys. We wicked all the way down to 87,800, but we've also wicked all the way up to 92,800. So where will we close this daily candle? I would like to close it above 91K, but that's still about 32 minutes away from the time I'm recording this video. I will release this video about 15 minutes before the daily close so you guys can kind of monitor it. So in about 15 minutes from now. Anyway. But guys, listen, closing above 90,000 is still a fantastic close. It is yet another higher low that we would be putting in. But I would like to just move just a little bit higher than our close yesterday at 90,600, right? I would like to see that, but closing here would be fine. Another higher low, significantly higher low. That would be awesome. So that's what we're going to watch for on Bitcoin. Going into tomorrow should be very, very interesting, guys. Just briefly looking at the Jasmy and XCN and Swift charts because nothing has changed. Still inside of our bullish structure here on Jasmy, still holding support nicely at what is this, 1 cent 675 on Jasmy. Swift coin, exactly the same thing, just holding support, still in a falling channel, which is very bullish at 1 cent 476. Very bullish structure there. Zebec tried a breakout of its falling channel, but failed the breakout. Fell back down inside, but it is still a bullish close. If we close where we are, we're closing above this resistance line, so that's very, very good. Getting back above there would be awesome. And Swift coin, I told you guys this morning Swift coin was going to see a little bit lower levels. Here we are down at 1 cent 312. I wouldn't be surprised to see Swift come down to 1 cent 09, 1 cent 08, something like that. But that would be the bottom I could see it going to. So yeah, for me personally, I'll scoop more up at that level. So, all right, couple things to cover here real quick, guys. Zebec, what do we got? Zebec has reached a new milestone, guys. 750 million staked. Very, very nice. If you want tutorials and help on how to stake your Zebec, guys, I just did a video over on the Patreon earlier today helping people with that kind of stuff. So check it out for sure. You don't want to miss out on that. What else do we have? Out of Jasmy, we have the Japan's My Number card could be coming to Apple's iPhone in ISO 18.4 in the spring of 2025. It not could be, it is scheduled and supposed to be, right? Now how does this relate to Jasmy? If you're new to Jasmy, Jangshan's technology is actually integrated into the My Number card, okay? They're using Jasmy's technology. Therefore, when the My Number card is integrated into the Apple iPhones in this month, it's supposed to happen this month, right? That means that Jasmy's technology is also integrated into the Apple iPhones, guys. This is extremely bullish for Jasmy. Here we go. Japan's My Number card support in wallet. The ISO 18.4 beta appears to include integration for the Japanese My Number card digital IDs in the wallet app. Apple said last year that it would be adding support for the ID cards in the spring of 2025. More than 100 million Japanese residents have the My Number card IDs. Now, what does this mean? This means that every single one of them who has the My Number card ID has to have the personal data locker, the PDL. And to have that, you have to have what? You have to have an active PDL address, you must have Jasmy staked, right? So you have to hold Jasmy for that, guys. So very, very excited about that. All right, what else do we have? We got a couple more bullish things to go over, guys. What is happening this week? Apparently, just in from Bitcoin Magazine, President Trump considering executive order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve tomorrow, Bloomberg reports, as we see. Trump may announce that the government will stop selling cryptocurrency and confiscate in criminal cases and use them to establish a national stockpile, according to the people. Trump could also issue an executive order to create an actual reserve for Bitcoin, one that would be expected to buy more of the digital currency. Very bullish possibilities there. And following up on that, guys, if you are bearish, listen to this from Nick from Coin Bureau. He says, it's coming. Global liquidity is about to flood into the markets and pump your bags. In the past 24 hours, we have had an extraordinary measures announced by two of the largest economies in the world. Check this out, guys. First off, China. The government outlined plans to issue up to $179 billion in ultra long-term special treasury bonds. On top of this, another $69 billion worth of special treasury bonds will be issued to support banks. Check it out.
Meeting under the shadow of US tariffs. With President Xi Jinping looking on, lawmakers on Wednesday committed extra money to boost the economy. China will now issue some $179 billion in special bonds to lift growth. That includes money to subsidize purchases of electric vehicles, appliances, and other goods. Premier Li Qiang said the country faced increasing external pressures.
It's starting to happen right in front of your faces, guys. We've been waiting for this stimulation of economies, especially the world's largest. Let's move over to Germany. The government is considering reforms for their long-standing debt break. This could enable up to $1 trillion or more spending on defense and infrastructure. This is a massive move from a country that has previously been increasingly averse to government debt. Germany to ease government debt limits in major step aimed at boosting economy defense spending. Very, very bullish. Impact on Bitcoin. As I mentioned yesterday, one of the biggest determinations on Bitcoin's price is global liquidity flows. These ambitious moves could also be harbingers of what is to come from other countries, not least of which the United States. As he said yesterday, keep an eye on changes in the global liquidity. It's one of the most important long-term factors driving Bitcoin. In fact, using data from 2013 to 2024, BTC has a 94% correlation with global M2. Now you know why so many people are begging for an end to QT and even the return of QE. Impact on altcoins. It's well known that one of the biggest drivers of the last alt season was monetary and fiscal stimulus. Once this liquidity starts coursing through TradFi markets, it will find its way down the risk curve. Here's hoping, though. So there you go, guys. There you go. It is coming. I hope that you guys are ready. I've told you this is what we've been waiting for. We're starting to see signs of it happening. We need to see China further stimulate their economy. We need to see the United States move away from QT and closer to QE. All right, that's what we're looking for. People keep asking me, what are we looking for altcoin season? When is it going to come? I'm telling you, I just told you right now what we are watching. Okay, this is what's in 2021. The parabolic part of the bull run was kicked off by China stimulating their economy. That's what we're waiting for here, guys, right? Doesn't necessarily mean that the United States has to start printing money. Could very simply start anywhere else, like China, for example. It started that way last time. Guys, listen, the Patreon has been just crazy exploding, guys. There's a gem over there, a tiny gem that we're looking at right now. We're mass accumulating. The partnerships, tokenomics, narratives, and market cap are just, man, you're not going to believe how nobody's talking about this project right now. But I promise you this much, they will be very, very soon. So, and when that time comes, you will already be too late. You want to accumulate these projects beforehand, guys. Listen, we got in early on XPR, Zebec, XCN, Swiftcoin, and so many more. Don't be left behind. Get involved, guys. Jump in, check out these gems. I cannot overstate how excited I am about the project we are accumulating right now. Check it out for yourselves, guys. We are live over there every single evening as well. A mass amount of content we're putting up over there. Also, I just did a video earlier today on how to get passive income on another one of our gems that we've been accumulating. So check that out as well. You can also book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. You can get help with your exit strategies, your profit-taking plans, portfolio structure. Are you over-diversified and need help? That's what we help with, guys. Get over there, check it out. You get all that and so much more for the price of a freaking Happy Meal, guys. You cannot go wrong. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I can promise you two things. One, you will learn things that will make you a better investor and trader in this space. And two, once you see the wealth of knowledge you have from this community of over 1,900 people, you are not going to want to leave, especially once you've experienced some of our live video calls over there and the one-on-one coaching calls and so much more, guys. There is a wealth of knowledge that is at your fingertips for the price of a Happy Meal. Check it out for yourself, especially if you are new to crypto. Also, guys, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Do not trust these exchanges with your hard-earned money, your hard-earned crypto. Hold it for yourself. Self-custody is the best way to do it. The link down below in the description. If you want a special deal, check it out for yourself. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.